Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about Beats Flex earphones that are not charging. I'll be going over how to fix the problem with the easiest tutorial on the subject matter. Let's get right into the video. Essentially, I will be outlining 5 different things that you can do to hopefully fix the problem if your Beats Flex earphones are not charging. Now, these are my Beats Flex earphones, and they have no problem charging, and this is a rare problem, but it's good to be prepared, so let's go over these 5 solutions. I'm going to try and be short and sweet. I was going to say short and stunt, but that doesn't make sense. So I'm going to try and be short and sweet and relatively quick and not blab on like I usually do. And I'm also going to try and do this in one take and not take multiple takes if I mess up like I sort of just did. So let's get into this. Anyways, number 1, the first solution is to turn the earphones off and on a few times. Now this is obviously if they have a charge. If you're having trouble charging them and they don't have a charge left, then you're not going to be able to do this. But if they do have a charge, you're just going to turn them off and on a few times. Just press and hold this for a quick second and it'll toggle between them going off and on, just like that. And sometimes it's just a matter of literally turning them off and on. Similar to if you have a problem with your TV, you might turn it off and on, or a computer and so forth. Okay, so try that out. If that doesn't help, you're going to move on to number 2, which is to wiggle the charging cable. As you can see right here, this is the charging cable, and you're just going to wiggle it. So essentially, while it's plugged in to the Beats and the power source, so we have it plugged into the Beats over here, and we have it plugged into the power source over here, you're going to plug it in obviously to the wall outlet, and you're just going to try and move the charging cable around. Sometimes there's just, an issue with the charging cable itself, and by moving it around, you might get the sweet spot, which will hopefully get them to charge. And what that means is that you have to get a new charging cable, which leads me to the third thing that you can try, which is to try a different charging cable. So if that doesn't work, and you think that it might be the charging cable completely not working, then you can try a different charging cable. Now, luckily, this is, as far as I know, just a USB-C charging cable. So you probably have many of these by this point in time for different products and devices. So just get one from your other devices and try it out. See if a different charging cable will work. If that doesn't work, you're going to move on to number 4, which is to try a different power source. So this is obviously plugged into the wall outlet, and you might think that your Beats Flex earphones are not charging because there's a problem with them, when in reality, maybe your wall outlet is not working properly. So just go ahead and try a different power source. Try a different power brick like this. Try plugging it into a different outlet in a different room, in a different building. Just experiment, because it might be that maybe your circuit has tripped or maybe your fuse has blown. So try a different power source out. And if that doesn't work, you're going to go to your last resort, which is number 5, which is to reset the earphones. Now, resetting the earphones to factory settings can solve a lot of problems, and it's actually really easy to do. You could probably do it in like less than 20 seconds. So essentially, you want to get the power button over here, and you want to get the volume down button, which is over here, and press and hold them down together for about 15 seconds, and you're going to see a red light flash here, and that means that you factory reset the earphones. It's literally that simple. Hopefully one of those works for you. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.